know if you can see that in the, see how the sky's kind of green? That is what we call pine pollen. Sea yellow. And let me tell you, it is like having, you're out there in it, and it is like having sand in your eyes. Anyway, it's, I don't even know what today is. Thursday the 11th, April the 11th, and just left a service call, and now I'm headed to Marietta to check out or actually replace the condenser fan motor. I don't think I get any shots of that, it's just too much, but there's a ton of condenser fan motor change out videos, but I will have a preview of an upcoming video if they decide they want to do it. It's actually a pretty good one, I think, but anyway, I'm off to go swim in the sea of pollen. So here's the preview of maybe an upcoming job. We got the furnace sitting here. They didn't have enough room because the crawl space was so short to put a upflow coil in, so they brought it up, turned to 90, and put it into a slab coil. But let me come around here and come on from underneath and shine the light up there. I don't know if you can see all that, but it is rusted out and time to be changed.